got your remote, put your nuts and bolts in this bag. We're gonna put this down next to just like the grill, the part of the bumper. This is actually the shovel. Comes with it. Comes with a little shovel so you can put dirt on the back of the dump truck part. Right here. These actually look like the hubcaps for the wheels. So when we get to the wheels, this right here looks like another part of a bumper or something. So we're gonna put that down here. And it looks like the main body of the truck is pretty much put together. So it's like we got some more like a rail or something that goes over the top of it for protection. And two of those, so it's like one in the back, one in the front. This is a part of the seat. You see you got the seat belt buckles right there. This is the other part of the seat. This is the bottom part. Of course, this is the steering wheel. Right there. So pretty much the rest of what's in the box is the body of the truck, which is pretty much already put together, which is a good thing. So you just have to put on the parts that we just shown in the last clip, and we have the wheels and the main body of the truck that's remaining in the box. And so we're gonna go ahead and get that out of the box and start putting it together. And the tires are like a rubber mixed with plastic, if that can. So it's like a soft rubber plastic. There we go. And there you go. Main body of the truck. Right there. So we got a couple more parts that came out of the box. This is the extra axle. I believe this is the rear axle because, as you can see, the front axle is already put on there. And these, I believe, are the rear motors. So there you have it. We're going to go ahead and start putting it together. All right, first thing it says is to install the front wheels. So we're going to go ahead and install the front wheels. You need a front wheel and you need a hubcap to go on like this here. Okay. That off. Okay, where did I just put those? Okay, here. So you got the get my directions over here. All right, those are the directions right there. All right, so we're gonna need a bolt to go on the wheel first. Actually, we need a washer. The washer like that. We're gonna put the washer on first, the larger washer on first, and then we're gonna put the wheel on next. Goes like that. We're gonna put the smaller washer on. Get the smaller washer. Let's see what we're doing wrong. Okay, so we had the wrong wheel. So this is the front wheel. Right, so then this goes on like so. And then you want to go ahead and put your, after you put the smaller washer on, you want to go ahead and get your bolt out, and it should fit in this little device here. Right. Okay, so we got the first wheel on. You want to go ahead and put your hubcaps on, and that just snaps in like so. Let's make sure we're doing everything right here. Okay, so front wheel on right there. And there you got. There you have it. The first front wheel is on, and you'll do the same thing with the other side. So the front wheel, large, washer out first, get a large one. And I think there's only two large ones. I think that's only for the front wheels where you have two washers. The back wheels don't have that because they have the motor that's going to be installed for the wheels. Okay, so we put this on. And smaller washer. Nuts and bolts here. That guy on. And we tighten. Yep. There you go. Hubcap on. Okay. All right. Okay, so now we're going to attach the rear axle. Okay, right here. And we're just going to put her right here. Tight little squeeze, so you have to kind of get a little muscle push it through there. Okay. All right. All right, so now we're going to attempt to put on the first motor on this side right here. Go ahead and snap. There's a white, there's a blue piece right here, and you want to just snap them together. Okay, so that goes on there now. I just want to push this guy in there. And the part that you connect it kind of fits in there like that right there. You push it flush there, and all right, so let's we're gonna attempt to put on the first rear wheel. Okay, and now we have the motor on. All we need to do is put a washer in between the wheel and the nut and bolts here. So we're going to do that. And while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and put the other motor on the other side. It's going to be the same process you did to the side here. You want to connect those connectors first. And what we're going to do is put that on that side just to make sure the back wheels are even. Okay, so all right, so you want to take the connector, connect it over here again. Okay. Connect on this side as well. All right, we got connector in there. Right in there. Okay. Now, we'll see if we have the same length of axle. So we're going to go ahead and put the other wheel on the other side to make sure that we have the same amount of axle on both sides. Okay, and so we don't. So that means I need to push some of this axle over. Push it pull. See what that looks like. We still don't have quite enough room, so we'll push it again. More. And that's about as close as we're going to get it there. Okay, so now, right, so we're going to try to put a washer on this guy along with the bolt. That's what it says do. So we're going to attempt to do that. Get a tight squeeze, but we're going to see if we can't make it happen there. Okay, do the same thing on this side. We'll wash it first, and the bolts next. We're going to come back on both sides and do tight. Okay, we got a little piece right there. Right here. Okay, let's go ahead and do this side first. Tighten up a little bit on this side. Actually, because that's why they have to. And what you want to do, because they gave you a second piece, because of this right here, so you gotta go opposite because they're gonna twist that, opposite directions. You want to kind of make sure they're not pulling. This side here is tight. This side here is tight, and boom, there you go. And both of the tires are on the rear axle. Now both of the tires are on the rear axle, and now I just gotta go ahead and put the hubcaps on. Just snap in, snap, snap, and there you go. And there's the back here. All right, so we have all the wheels on the ride now. Now it's time to get to putting on the interior accessories. Okay, so now it's time to work on the accessories in the truck here. So we're gonna kind of switch positions. The directions are saying put the front grill on first, so that's what we're going to do. And if I can get my camera to stay still here, I don't know why it keeps moving. But okay, it's in its center now. All right, so let's go ahead and put the front grill on now. And the directions say, all right, so we're going to need some, we're going to need 4 screws, okay? I've got 4 screws. We got a little drill right here. And let's see what we get here. All right. So the drill goes like so. All right, we're gonna have to go to our handy little screwdriver they sent with the package. Can't use the drill because it is not gonna fit in there, so we're gonna just use the handy little screwdriver. All right, so the next part is this little part here, which goes right here. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Let's just take the camera around here. All right, so it goes in that little part right there. Let's turn the camera back around this way here. Okay, and we're gonna zoom in. Okay, and it's right there. So you have it facing up this way right here, and you just push it down in there, and it locks in. And there you go. And it's kind of like a dashboard hold. So if you're going too fast, you can hold on to that little rail. All right, so now it's time to put the steering wheel on. And so let's back up a little bit here. So right here, putting the steering wheel on. And it looks like it's just one little nut and bolt. And we hook the wheel connector up. We're good to go. So here's the wheel, and here's the connector. Okay. So we're gonna just connect this right here. Gonna connect that like that, and let's go down like this here. It's gonna go ahead and lock in. There's a lock on the side, so you just push down like that, it locks in. Okay. And then to secure it even more, there's this little bolt and nut right here. We're just gonna screw that in to secure the steering wheel. So you have that, and we're gonna go. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. All right, let me get my nifty little screwdriver if I can find it. I think we can use the drill on this one here. Okay, so basically you want to set the bolt in the little groove right here, and then tighten it, and it'll self-tighten, okay? So there's some little grooves back here that allow the bolt to sit in place to be screwed in, okay? So you just hold it like that, and like so. All right, and your steering wheel is now secure. And that's all it is to the steering wheel. And let's see. So actually the next thing it wants me to do is reconnect the battery. So let's go ahead and put the battery back in the truck here. And again, when we took it out before, I was under the impression that I could just charge the battery by itself, but that's not how this truck operates here. So we're gonna put the battery back in. All you're just gonna lift up this little piece that we unscrewed, and we're gonna set it down in there like that. Okay, and then this piece goes back over here like this. And we're gonna get our screws right here. Our nifty little drill. Okay, all right, so we got that figured out. All right, so basically, like I said, we're gonna just put these 3 bolts back down in here. And the first one is the silver one right here that latches down the initial protection. So go ahead and your one little bit lumber there, and we're gonna put this guy back on, and it goes like this. Put the little grooves down in there, and it snaps on in there like that. 2 screws on the side there. One more screw. And there you have it. Battery's back in there. Now we can go ahead and connect the battery, and it's gonna be this. All right, so it's gonna be this connection right here, and this guy here, and we're gonna put it in there. Boom, and she's powered up. Okay. Okay. How about turn her off? Okay, so I think you hold her down and turn her off. Okay, so we already have power here. Okay, so now it's time to put the seats on. We're right here. Right there in the directions right there. Right. So I think that's as far as the seats go. All right, so now we get our top seat, the back end of the seats, and again they just pop down, just like the bottom part. So they just pop down. Wow, this plastic is getting hot out here. Okay. In the sun, I thought it was a good idea to do this outside, and it's not turning out to be such a great idea. But I am okay. So we just want to pop this down in here. Maybe. Oh, I see what's going on. Okay. Got it. So you see those grooves right there. The bottom seat has to fit in those grooves right there. So let's take the bottom seat back up, and we got to kind of connect them at the same time. All right. So let's pop the bottom seat up. Okay. And now we'll pop it down here. Okay. And that goes like that. Boom. There you go. All right. So you got your seat belts in there. Okay. We'll go ahead and take a pause here. Okay. So the next thing is the front bar and the window and the mirrors. So so basically you just snap this in. You snap this in like this right here. That's in there. And now we put the mirrors on. Okay. And you need the 4 screws for that. Plastic here in a little bag, so don't run away from us. All right, so you got your little mirrors here, and you got the last 4 bolts, 4 screws down there in the bag. Take these out. Plastic right in the pockets here. Put down. All right, so you gotta go like this here, like that. Okay. All right, so they're on there really good. All right, and just to check, we'll go back with our screwdriver, and just to make sure we got a tight screw in there. Looks like we did. We'll go ahead and make sure we get really good in there. Okay. And for the last mirror, go on the other side there. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side. All right. We'll just pop her in there. Yeah, and we're just going to use our screwdriver over here. All right, so there you go. You got your mirrors on now. So now we're going to go ahead and put on the rear bar and the rear gate. Okay. Protection bar and the rear gate. And both pieces just snap into that hole. And there's another hole in this side. Wow, this plastic is getting hot out here, dude. I got to hurry up before it melts. All right, so this snaps down in there. That snaps down in there. And you can like so. Okay. Now, to finish things off, we have the dump truck bed gate. There we go. Okay. And this guy just snaps on like so. And then lift her up. Boom. And she's in there. Okay. Boom. Boom. All right. And so you have some you have some spare parts. You have some spare parts. You have a fuse, nuts and bolts. Put that right there for now. The only other parts of the truck is the shovel. And we'll put that together in another video. This is the shovel. So we're going to put it in the back here. This truck actually comes with a remote control. And it uses, I'm going to guess, 2 AAA batteries. So you'll just do it like that. Put your batteries in there. And then you can remote control your vehicle by remote control. All right. So that is it, my man.
Hey, let Jay make this beat.